Hi everyone. So welcome to another video in this Facebook ad series. Now today we're going to talk about Facebook pixels. Now what are actually pixels? Pixels are actually a code which helps you track your Facebook ads performance. Now for example, you're running a Facebook sales campaign. Now what's the objective behind it? You want to get sales to your ads, right? So how do you measure that? How do you measure like how many people are actually getting sales from your Facebook ads? Right? So for that, you need to generate this pixel code, which will actually help you track your Facebook ads and give you the right insights, right? So we need to understand like how we will actually put this pixel to use. How do we create a pixel? There are multiple ways of integrations, but as a marketer, your prime job is to get the pixel code ready, share it with your developer, and that person can get the job done and integrate that in the website. So nowadays, with CMS like WordPress, Shopify, you can directly integrate through your Facebook ad account. But you can also use the traditional method of taking the code and going to a website and putting it there, right? So let's see how we can do that. So for that, you need to come to your Ads Manager as always. Click on All Tools, go to Events Manager. Now, once you go to Events Manager, you will be actually landing up here, right? Where you will actually have this option of connect data sources. Now, what you need to do is you need to connect data sources, click on Web. I mean, if you're a website, if you're an app, you can click on App, right? So click on Connect here, right? Let's name it. Say I name it Demo, okay? So let's click on Create. Okay, now what I need to do is I need to put in a website here, right? So I need to put in the website I want to track primarily, right? So let me just put any website here. Okay, now click on check. Okay, then click on next. Now there are two ways of doing it. One is get guidance and do it yourself. Now if you are a novice, if you're a fresher, you can choose this. They will guide you through the process. uh, so let's click on that first. So click on next here. So here you're connecting data with just me, a small team of people. So let's click on just me. Click on next, right? So you don't need any technical support. Just click on next, right? You can skip all these portions if you want. Okay, so this is basically an information for that, so that they can help you better. So just click on get started. Okay, now you can actually select which website you're using, if you're using WordPress, something like that. Or you can request a new partner, like if you are not using any of this platform. So I will select WordPress because obviously it's the most used one. So what you need to do is you need to select on this choose pixel option, click on next. Now, what it does here is that when you're actually integrating it with the CMS, it actually lets you, connect with a plugin, right? So what it will do is basically it will connect you with a plugin, and and that will do the rest of the work, right? So you just need to click on next, next, and next, and finally, go till confirmation. So you don't have to do much. You just have to install this plugin in your WordPress website, and it will take care of the rest. So, right. So that's how it works. So it's basically, you just have to click on next, 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 and that's how it works. So let's see the manual process first. Okay. So once we click on the manual process, what it will do is it will actually give you an option. So I will just click on connect. Name this demo as well. Create. Okay, it's the same process. I'll just do the same process. Now I'll just click on do it yourself this time around. Now what it does is that I will just click on metapixel only. I will select next. So what it will do is will actually give you two options: use partner integration, which I've done before, or you can add the code manually, which is a much easier method, I would suggest. So once you click on this, what you have to do is you just have to copy this code, give it to your developer, or do it yourself. Go to the website and put it in the index.php or index.html file, and click on continue and just follow the steps, and it will basically get added to your Facebook ad account. So that's how you actually do do a pixel integration. This is just the basic of how you can work with pixel. I hope you found this video useful. See you in the next video.